What's up, guys? I'm Joseph Bivens. Welcome to Supercars of Indianapolis, and today we're here at Tomwood Porsche. We're in a pretty awesome 997 Turbo right there, and a pretty nice Carrera 4S right there. So let's go ahead and check them out. Alright guys, so this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo is finished in black with silver wheels. It's got yellow calipers, carbon ceramic brakes. This is the cabriolet version, which means you can take the top down. It's a very nice car. Got the Carrera 4S cab pulling away. Yeah, that turbo is absolutely gorgeous. Alright guys, just look at this beautiful Porsche 911 Turbo S finished here in black. It has the hoops style wheels, the rear air intakes. This car here is going for $220,000. Such a beautiful car. This being the cabriolet version, it has the convertible top. Popping in. Inside, everything is leather. The steering wheel, the dashboard, just everything is done in leather, which is a major upgrade over the Carrera, because a lot of it's done in a, to be perfectly honest, not so nice material, but just look at this carbon fiber, all the metal. You can get cup holders that can be hidden behind a panel in the dash. It's a very nice infotainment system. Get the Sport Chrono clock package, tachometer, speedometer. Those are both analog. Over here you got a digital gauge. Such a cool car. Imagine one of these with a manual transmission swap. That would be absolutely insane. Alright guys, look at this absolutely gorgeous Porsche 718 Boxster. Finished in silver with the two-tone black and white interior. It's a very nice spec, very subtle. So yeah, now let's hop into the 718. This is kind of a closer to base spec one because it's got the fabric seats. But still, it feels very nice. I actually kind of like the fabric. Wow, what an interior. Leather wheel, leather dash, leather everything. Very nicely done inside of this Porsche. So, guys, look at this absolutely gorgeous Porsche 911 GT3 finished here in red. These colors called Guards Red. You've got the Porsche PDK transmission, red calipers, gunmetal wheels. That thing is absolutely insane. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to browse the channel and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.
Go hard, accelerate, no, I won't sell myself out that way. There's something inside that takes over me, and I'm losing my mind.